press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi guys, welcome to IWM Bus, and firstly congratulations for your debut show for both of you.
Thank you.
It's a fun show.
Yes.
It's a very millennial show. It's a very today's show. It's a very relatable show. It's a show I feel all of us. I mean, we've had fun making. I feel it also translates. We've seen a couple of episodes now, and it comes out on Jan 20th. It's on ZEE5, and all of you must watch it.
Yeah.
Meh.
Nakul. It was only because of Nakul that I did the show. There was no other reason.
I can't
For
even-
your budget, high nahi.
We can't even lie about this because everyone knows that you were on the show first. So, yeah.
I don't know. You know, I think as an actor, he said the same thing, and I do the same thing. I go according to my gut, my instinct, and when I read it, it was a young show. It was a fun show, and the last two projects that I've been a part of have been heavier. So
Yeah, bloody heavy, man.
So it was just a lot of fun for me to just be a normal young girl who's, experiencing life.
Yeah. यार मुझे तो हर जॉनर करना है. जैसी वो स्क्रिप्ट्स आएंगी जो मेरे दिल को छुएंगी मैं करूँगा. But the idea is not just to be different. I want to do different things. But it has to somewhere resonate, and it has to resonate with my aesthetic sensibilities, my script sensibility. I'd love to try different things. I don't think it's like seeing which kid of yours is better, right? I feel as an actor, my aim at doing work is for people to be able to experience it, consume it. Whichever medium it requires. So if a television has given me access to homes across the country, across the world. The last show I did, Ishbaz, has been translated in 30 languages. I met someone in Scotland from Syria, and they came and they hugged me and took a picture. The entire family, the kids knew me. And India, it's another. I mean, the reach is phenomenal, right? So, and I think for a show like this, where there's the right medium, because TV is also a mass medium where you're talking to the country. Web is also slightly more individualistic experience. It's like a personal experience. The kind of language we have. The kind of content we have, I feel it would appeal to a younger generation more than it would to a mass audience. Hence, this platform is also interesting. So, I mean, platform is pretty much I don't think doesn't make the difference as long as people watch what you're doing.
I have the same opinion. As long as I'm happy and content with what I'm doing, where I'm doing it doesn't make a difference to me. And creatively, actually, on web, you can do a lot more, I feel. So,
बहुत गाली दी है तूने शो में.
बहुत shocked with myself. Horrible.
Terrible. Yeah,
Hate each other.
It's been hard.
But we can tolerate each other now.
I mean, she can. It's still a hard one. She tries to copy everything I do. I wore a suit. She wanted to wear a suit. I made my hair. I gave it a bounce. She made a high ponytail. My eyebrows are black, and she wanted hers to be black, and
I forgot to wear contacts, to copy.
Yeah, that's
So
I think you should just find your own voice, Anya.
It's just a lot of fun. We just have a lot of fun together. It's a very comfortable space that we're in, and I don't have to think before I say anything to him, which is great. Best, what I had a lot of fun shooting.
I think that.
You were not in it.
Yeah, I think her favorite scene is the one where she's breaking a car down.
Yeah.
We can't tell you the context to it.
Yeah.
But I saw it and I clearly understood why you enjoyed it.
I know, and I know your.
But actually, that shot of yours from the camera when you're just before you get into that mode was gorgeous, man.
Thank you.
So I thought more than that scene, I thought that was my favorite shot of yours in everything I've seen.
Thank you.
It was beautiful. So that was beautiful. I think she really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the scene where
Egg throwing.
हाँ उसमें तो मज़ा आया ही मुझे चीज़ें फेंकने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है पर एक सीन है हम दोनों का जो आई थिंक क्लाइमैक्स की तरफ कभी आएगा, where both of us are having this very heated altercation which we shot on the first floor, जहाँ काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें हो रही हैं, हम लड़ते हैं झगड़ते हैं एक दूसरे से, जो ट्रेलर में भी एक शॉट है in the 10th episode. Past.
Oh, I know.
And I think उसमें बड़ा मजा आया. Listen, I might call her, but she will not answer it. So we are pretty sure about that. Not because she won't answer it, because she will be sleeping at that time. So it has nothing to do with me. It has to do with her sleep cycle. But we agree on this.
Or in real life, anyone else?
4 o'clock.
Yeah.
Jesus, yeah. I hope I don't need to call anyone at 4. But who dancer? I've never called anyone at 4.
I mean, I've called one of my best friends at odd hours, but
4 a.m.
yeah.
Yeah.
Luckily, she was awake.
सब ठीक?
Yeah.
हाँ.
I think that time I was going through something, so I called her, but and thank God she was awake. But otherwise, I just think it's mean to disturb someone when they're sleeping.
Yeah. I mean, I
Between the both of us?
haven't given her a gift yet.
Yeah,
and her
my birthday
has
went,
happened. But I have a gift with me. It needs to come with me, but it will come. So right now I am party to this game.
And his birthday is coming. So
It's a good
we'll see.
reminder, yeah. No pressure. Yeah.
None of us.
Yeah, we are very congenial people.
None of us.
Yeah. I mean that doesn't feature in our scheme of things. You talk about कि lunch advice क्या
Yeah.
lunch में क्या खाएं?
Yeah.
तो हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Me too, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, we both love food, I guess. So, huh.
Yeah, we both really enjoy.
But I would give it to her. She likes the the
Chat-pata
chatar
stuff.
patar more.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. We never come before call time. We come on call time.
We come on time.
Yeah. I take more takes. Anya gets it in the first take most of the time. I take, but it's not really me. It's my director.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Totally.
Yeah.
I will. Me.
I mean, don't get angry.
Not angry. Actually, none of us are angry people.
Yeah, we're not
I
angry
have
people.
to say.
Yeah.
If
She could get upset, but I also think that.
But I don't really voice it. I keep it to myself and I'll discuss it
Yeah.
quietly with him maybe and just like vent to
Maybe
him.
she's more expressive than angry.
Yeah.
Great jokes, yeah, me.
Lame.
Great jokes, yeah.
The
sweet.
master of lame jokes.
Yeah, that's me. Listen, I have no message
You
to
want
give
to
you.
watch it?
If you all want to watch it, watch it.
Please
If you all
watch
don't
it.
want to watch it, please watch it. It's on Z5. It's called Never Kiss Your Best Friend. We have no
Oh.
like heavy message to give you. It's a
Yeah.
good show. Watch it. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Napu.
Good night.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you. मेरा जन्मदिन आज है और 3 दिन में शो का लॉन्च है, तो प्लीज एज अ गिफ्ट वॉच द शो.
Oh,
Watch the show. यार, I am extremely fortunate. For the first time in my life, I'm going to spend my birthday, a major part of it, with this lovely lady here.
Yeah.
It's going to be very special,
Yeah.
and I'm so excited.
I'm going to do nothing to help her.
Yeah.
But we'll just have my company.
Yeah, I'll just be around her, help her around. That's it. Yeah, that's pretty much
Hold my company.
ideal birthday. Hold your coffee mug.
So, anyways, for the audience, there has been started countdowns, sending them DMs and all.
Yeah, it's going a little mental on my feed. I get like all these countdowns, 8 days to go, 7 days to go, and like people want to send gifts, and all I want to say is, guys, please do not spend money sending me gifts.
Send it to me.
Do not even send to her. I do not appreciate anyone spending money. But if you write letters, I have a ton of them, which all of you have written, but I love reading letters. Feel free to do that. And just use that money to do whatever else you want in life. But yeah, don't send me gifts, man. I can buy what I want, pretty much. So yeah, although not really,
बहुत लंबा आंसर.
but I'm happy. So yeah, thank you, and thank you for your wish. यार, I'm extremely fortunate. For the first time in my life, I'm going to spend my birthday, a major part of it, with this lovely lady here.
Yeah.
It's going to be very special,
Yeah.
and I'm so excited.
I'm going to do nothing to help her.
Yeah.
But we'll just have my company.
Yeah, I'll just be around her, help her around. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much
Hold my company.
ideal birthday. Hold your coffee mug. Yeah, it's going a little mental on my feed. I get like all these countdowns, 8 days to go, 7 days to go, and like people want to send gifts, and all I want to say is, guys, please do not spend money on sending me gifts.
Send it to me.
Do not even send to her. I do not appreciate anyone spending money. But if you write letters, I have a ton of them, which all of you have written, but I love reading letters. Feel free to do that. Just use that money to do whatever else you want in life. But yeah, don't send me gifts, man. I can buy what I want, pretty much. So yeah, although not really,
बहुत लंबा आंसर.
but I'm happy. So yeah, thank you, and thank you, Piyush.
Thank you so much.